How to sign in to Kaiser Permanente. So hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily sign into a Kaiser Permanente account. So let's get started. So if you are using iPhone, just head over to your Safari browser, but if you are using Android device just like me, you can head over to any of your favorite browser and simply open the browser and just search in for Kaiser Permanente login or sign in. So you should be heading over to this page, that is official website of Kaiser Permanente. So once inside here, just tap on this user ID. So just basically enter your user ID from over here. And once you enter your user ID, just click on your password. Make sure it's correct one. And once you successfully enter the correct login credentials, just tap on the sign in button to successfully sign into your Kaiser Permanente account. And if you ever forget your password or user ID, you can just tap on this forget user ID or password button over here. And if you haven't created an account already, you can simply click on register for an account button at the bottom to simply register or create a new account. So that's how we do it, guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.